Good morning, I'm Faye Thompson. This morning I'm going to do a recipe for pumpkin pies and pumpkin tarts. This is my grandson Kent's favorite recipe. This recipe came from a friend of mine. She was a lot older than I was, and I remember her telling me then it had been in her family for over 100 years. And my grandson Kent, he lives in Little Rock. This is one of his favorite recipes. You can make your tart if you want to, so I just bought mine. But I do make crust when I'm frying pies. I make my own. But a lot of other times I buy them. I did make this crust, pie crust too. I make them once in a while. But anyway, if you want to buy these tarts, or you can make your own, you can buy them in the local grocery store. They're in the freezer department. We start off with 3½ cups of pumpkin. Now you can either, you can get the pulp out of a real pumpkin, and recipe shows you how to do that if you want to do that. I never do that. I use a canned pumpkin. Even when I raised pumpkins, I didn't do that. Need 2 cups of sugar, and I've already got this stuff measured out for us. 2 cups of sugar. And we need 1 teaspoon of salt. We have 4 teaspoons of ground cinnamon, 2 teaspoons of ground ginger, 1 teaspoon of nutmeg. We have 4 eggs. These eggs are at room temperature too. Okay, we're ready to add 4 eggs. These pans like we have right here, this is the hardest thing to clean. And I have never seen a muffin pan that didn't have that. But the other day I ran into this one. I don't know what it's made out of. It's one of those new materials. But it does not have that rim, and it won't be hard to clean. I was so proud of it. I just wanted you to see that. I have looked everywhere, and I finally found this, I think, at Walmart. But I thought, I hate to clean those muffin pans. I thought, how easy that'd be to clean. So I thought you might want to see that. Okay, the next thing we have is 3 cups of milk, and I use the Carnation milk. So 3 cups, there's 12 ounces in each one of these cans, so we need 2 cans. 24 ounces, and that's 3 cups. Oh, we just had company to come up. These 2 boys, I'm so glad to see them. They're my friend's grandson. No, great-grandsons, aren't they? What's your name?
Owen.
Owen, and what's your name?
Cole.
Oh, well, we're so glad you came by to see us. This is Todd Sis. Now, this is a grandfather, and he was the son of my good friend that passed away last week. And I'm so glad they came by to see me.
Hiya.
We have to cook this on a 350-degree oven. I've got it preheated. We have to cook this at different times. This is I told you I don't make very many pastries. I did make this pastry and I've had it in freezer. This pastry, this cooks an hour. When you put the pumpkin mix in the tart shell, you don't cook them as long as you do in this. And I'll cover them with some foil at least halfway through the baking, keep them from burning outside. Okay, we're going to mix this with a hand mixer. These are ready now to go in the oven. We've got our oven preheated at 350 degrees. These are only going to cook about 30 minutes. The big pie will take an hour. Now, I made this crust. Okay, our pumpkin tarts are finished now. They look very tasty. I know my grandson's going to enjoy these. Kent, we made these specially for you. And I hope you try these, and I hope you enjoy them much as we do. And I thank you for watching the family videos, and I hope you watch again sometime. Thank you.